नमस्कार दोस्तों. Today is 9th March 2021. Welcome to my channel Tradeplan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market, where on this specific video series on daily basis I disclose my trade plan for Nifty and Bank Nifty, review my today's trade, share my learning and MTM position at end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. So before we get into Lalaji, let's see what's happening on the global key indicators. So US government bond 10-year yield today is going down and is going down strongly. It has taken yesterday's entire green bar. So this is a very good sign for all the global market and specifically for India, and in India Bank Nifty. Now why this is significant? This is very significant because if you see in last few days market movement, what we have seen is that market was entirely managed by Reliance and Bank Nifty was weak. And Bank Nifty was weak mainly because US government bond 10-year yield was consistently going up in last four trading session. And now when this starts going down, Bank Nifty will give the required support or maybe the acceleration for the market, and that could become a very strong resulting move in a market. Now dollar index has also come down, so this is also good sign for emerging market like India. And last not the least, S&P 500, that is mother of our market, has crossed 20 bar moving average and is trending in up direction. There is a very strong green bar, surely because of the US government 10 bond yield coming down. So after a very long time, what we see is that all the three key global indicators, that is US 10 government bond yield, dollar index, and as well as S&P 500, are showing only one sign, that is very good indicator, that is strong up move for a India market. Now when we look into Nifty, that is a Lalaji. Lalaji today on daily basis has closed above 20, above 8, above 50 and above 200. So definitely in uptrend, but still below 15112, which is the upper side of consolidation. Now market has a strong resistance at 15300 and a very good support at 14950. On 15-minute chart, market has closed above 8, above 20, above 50 and above 200. So here also the trend is confirmed and market is in uptrend. And see what this green bar has come from. Now this green bar has come because of Reliance. So if you have seen my weekly wrap on Motabai is already looking very strong. Bank Nifty was weak. US 10 government bond will support Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty once starts moving up, then Lalaji is going up and the bulls are back in the game. Now, having said that, for tomorrow, SGX is currently at 15160. So 15160 is above 15112, so somewhere here, and it is also closer to H3 for tomorrow, which is 15154. So tomorrow, what is the possibility? The first possibility is that market will gap up above 15112, which it will surely, and then on 15-minute breakout, it will have upside follow up and it will move up to the range of 15300. Second option is second probability is that it will open up and it will come down. It will come closer to pivot for tomorrow, that is 10th of March. Pivot is at 15050, L4 is at 15042, which is also conjunction of 8 bar, 20 bar and 50, which is a ideal situation for a very strong up move. So depending upon your style of trading, tomorrow two trades are possible. One is 15-minute breakout on upside follow up, second is downward, and then second trade buy on dip and move up. What I will look forward as a defensive trader is buy on dip closer to pivot at 15042 to 15050 for a target of 15,200. So 15,200 PCE is the position which I'll play for tomorrow. Now market also has a very strong support at 14,950. So that's how the Laraji is looking, and I'm strongly feeling that bulls are coming back. But like all our guru says, as a trader, our job is not to predict the market. Our job is to find the correct entry. We should know where to enter, where to exit, and make money. Now, Bank Nifty on daily basis has closed below 20, above 8. So here, Bank Nifty on daily basis is in downtrend. On 15-minute chart, Bank Nifty is showing the sign of reversal, and it has closed above 20, above 8, and above 50 and above 200. So here Bank Nifty is in uptrend. So for tomorrow, my trade plan for Bank Nifty is buy on dip at pivot for tomorrow is 35,900. L4 is 35,782. L3 is 35,782, and L4 is 36,084. So 35,782 and 35,631. I'm sorry. 35,631. Yes, makes sense. 35,631. So the L4 is closer to 50 and 200 bar moving average, so definitely very strong support. And L3 is 35,782, which is also closer to weekly resistance, which will act as a support, and 8 bar moving average. So again, a very good support. And the pivot is at 35,897. So somewhere here, which is closer to 20 bar moving average. So again, a very good support. So any dip towards 20 bar moving average, that is pivot, is a good buy for Bank Nifty for a target of H3 36084 and H4 36236. In a good day, we can also see R2, which is 36,450. So 36,400 could be a good C position to play for tomorrow. So that's my trade plan for today. Now let's see what I did today. So today, market actually did exactly what we have thought. The idea was that if market is opening up above 15,112, then we will take a 15-minute breakout, and if market is closing below 15, opening below 15,112, then we'll wait for it to come to 15,112. Then we'll short it for a target of 4938, and with the understanding that market is in consolidation, so second trade was also possible. From here, there is buy on dip to target of 15,112, and that's exactly what market did today. And again, I couldn't execute my trade plan properly. I In the morning when I set, I realized that dollar index is coming down. Sorry, the bond yield is started coming down. So I turned my trade plan on buy on dip, and I entered a C position here, and eventually I got exit over here. So I almost had around 7,000 rupees loss on good trade setup day. So what's the learning? Learning is stick to trade plan and execute trade plan without any problem. Play less quantity, one or two quantity with a target of around 10,000 rupees profit in a day. So I hope these discussions have added value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Uh, Stay healthy. Jai Hind.